Listen, I did that McGriddle sandwich, my take on it, where I took the cinnamon roll and smashed it down. We're gonna do something a little similar to that. Cinny Delight. I get these crazy ideas at night, and I can't wait to cook them anymore, and sometimes they work out okay. I'm using Trader Joe's biscuits. Actually, I really like Trader Joe's better than any of theirs. Okay, let's take the cinnamon roll, a little butter, a little flour. Let's roll this thing out as best we can. This looks like a disaster at home. It's not. I'm a professional. Okay, these are pre-cooked. We're going to cook these on the griddle. Now watch this. Cinny Delight. So it's 2 per. Make sure everything's sticking together. Flip it over. Maple. Make sure you press everything together, okay? Only a few more, and we'll see you outside. Here we go, kids. Get them all together. Looks crazy, doesn't it? It's going to look good outside, though. Okay, kids. Just oil it up a little bit so nothing sticks. Spray oil works great. Okay, here's a little trick for you. My poor man's dome. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes to check it out. See when we turn it. Find some spots that may not have gotten done. And use some of the others to prop them up. Kind of happy here. A little bit of work. Other than that, they're all pretty good. We're also, even though the sausages were pre-cooked, we want to see how they're doing. Temperature-wise, perfect 146. Let me just give it one last little bake, and then we'll go inside and serve them. These must be good because I got cats and dogs. A little icing. Kind of fun, I think. Okay, I think we're done. Let's see if anybody likes these. I know I'm going to.